Hello, welcome to 108 Water's Edge in Kathleen, Georgia. This property is off of Bear Branch Road. Come into the foyer. This over here is an office or could be the 5th bedroom. To the left of the front door, you will see it's a formal dining room. They're using it as an extra sitting area. Back to the foyer, to the great room. You have gorgeous built-ins, hand-scraped hardwood floor, gas fireplace. This home is equipped with a ton of storage. To the right, we will go to the secondary bedrooms. This is the bedroom in the back. A large hall bath and another secondary bedroom. Off of the living room, you will see the breakfast room, the kitchen, beautiful cabinetry, this has got an oven and a half with a breakfast bar, Corian countertops overlooking the breakfast room. Here's an extra little area to look out in the back. Come across the back of the house behind the living room, and you have a sunroom with more built-ins and its own air conditioner. All the way to the left side of the home, we have the master suite. This goes into our master bath. Some of the lights are motion censored. We have our jetted tub, separate shower, his and her vanities, again with extra cabinetry, and picture of the jetted tub again. And then we go into, to the his and hers closet that feeds right into the laundry room, as convenient as that is. And again, the motion lights. We have our ironing board. We have a half bath. Upstairs, we have our bulldog room. It has got definitely places that you can hang memorabilia. Again, more built-ins. And we have a half bath. We have a half bath up here as well. This home was a custom-built home, and it has a drive-through garage. Instead of it being difficult to get out of here, you can actually pull up both garage doors and come through. We have an extra storage room out there. Could be a lawn equipment. It has a door on it. And then we go next door to a shop that is definitely worth looking at the whole property. This property sits on over an acre, and it has a 2-bay garage in the main property with an extra bay for lawn equipment. You also have another 2-bay in this detached workshop. In here, you will see it is a 2-bay plus. So much room as well. behind the shop is another covered area, and it has stairs up to the apartment that is unfinished. They are currently using this as batting cages across the back. Here is the backyard with their deck. So you will have a 4-bay garage plus out here, with room for batting cages. Here we are at 108 Waters Edge Court in Kathleen. We are looking at a house here that's approximately 3,500 square feet, sitting on a little over an acre of land. This property also has a detached workshop with an unfinished apartment above, 2 bays to pull into, and it's got additional covered parking in the back, which is currently being used for a batting cage. Currently, this home is zoned for Kings Chapel Elementary and Perry Middle School and Perry High School. If you have any questions, please give me a call.